Stock market is rigged, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through an absolutely perfect option alert. 951.08, SPY bear bomb, goes for 450% max gain. That's if you bought it right here and held through this drawdown. But because you're using rigged, you didn't buy this. It's late, and instead, here's what you did. Here's one thing to look at first. When we opened, the win rate for those bulls, 43.58%, 35% in the last 30 days. But what happens when we get lower, this BL 48 cents lower than the open, this win rate drops significantly from 43.58 to 30.91%. And then what happens next? We get this bear bomb, 43.64% with edge. Okay, that is what we want to look for, but because we're geniuses and saw that price already moved down rapidly, we're looking to use KTR. That is Komodo target range. This alert historically wins 43.64% of the time. That means returns over 100%. And when it does, this is where we want to set our bids. And if you did that, it really doesn't get more perfect. Let's look at 951 on the chart for the 562 put. All right, we're looking at the 562 put. That alert came in at 951, which is right here. And if we scroll back a little bit, you can see the price of the option went up as SPY goes down. We want to wait and use KTR. 951's here. Literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars later, you're able to fill for 88 cents. So 88 is right in that KTR range of 84 to 92 cents. That's what rig does. Like, you don't have to think as hard, oh, I need to find a better entry. Like, we're telling you, hey, statistically, when it wins, this is where it draws down to, and this is absolutely perfect because at 88 cents, you're never, I can't even see all this on the screen, but you're never out of the money like the rest of the session. It's always positive, and the biggest mistake you could have made was taking a gain too early. I mean, this thing just flies. So that is what this is about. We've got more content, more stuff coming to really push it, scream in your guys' faces like, hey, this is what we want to trade, this is what we want to look for, but we're only going to enter in a position where we might be at an advantage. And you got that today and won massively. Now, if you wanted to skip the open, there were ways to absolutely crush it on the bear trend day. We'll get to that in the next video. Have a great day. Keep it frosty. Just to scream this thing out again, 951, if you used KTR and filled at 88 cents, your max gain, 687.50%. If you just bought and held at 88 until the very end, you get a little bounce up to 556 from 555. You're getting 547%. That is what rigged is here for. Copytrade Wall Street, win when they win. We're going to get into these bears next. Subscribe, tell your friends. Have a great day.